Yo, what up, what up, what up? You know what I'm saying? Yo, what up, back? Welcome back to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Sorry that we haven't been vlogging, but we got a lot of stuff coming to y'all though, for real.
You know my name is.
We're about to put on the
Bernie shoots. Hey.
Emusa brand
Bernie shoots.
LCAs with the blue subframe. See it right there. So once we get it done, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks.
What's up, y'all? So we just got done with the LCAs. Man, it looked pretty nice though. So now we're just jacking it up, lining it up, and just torquing it down right now. But everything went well. It just really simple.
Basically 3 bolts.
Just 3 bolts.
They're all 14s.
All 14s. And we put the subframe too. We put this gapper right here. Little bracket right here. It pops it out. It looked really nice. So, but we're about to put it on the floor soon and probably test it out.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show them like the cutout up there too. I just tightened the bolt.
So we have a cutoff right there. And how big is your pipe, because of?
2.5.
2.5.
It looks pretty big though.
Yep.
Like 3.
2.5, all motor setup, really nice. And you got a cutoff right there. eBay, hey, but it still works though. That thing works, and probably get one soon for my Civic 4-door. Still thinking about it, but
Show them after.
all right, guys, see you guys in a bit. All right. Well, Freddie, you got something to say to the vlog?
That's out here. Car gonna come out 2020.
Okay. How's the EK doing?
Shit about to blow it.
Oh, all right. Start for the ugliness, but back on. So I'll see you guys in a bit. There you go.
Hey guys, we just finished the LCAs.
Path 3.
And I just installed the back seats for the cutoff. I wired through right here through a firewall. So it's just a plug right here. Whenever you want to turn it on, then they give you like a little remote on the key. Let me show you guys real quick.
I don't know the specifics either. I was like, hey, there's something.
I was just gonna send it to Carlos and family. That's it.
I told him, I was like, hey, there's something happening on Saturday. I don't know yet. And they're like, right here. The thing is, I don't want no random niggas here though. That's the only thing.
So open and
I
close.
don't want random niggas though. Nah, like, he's gonna be checking everybody.
There you go.
Yeah.
Can't have a tableau for it.